It's the first morning with the 86 at Autocross. We're just leaving the house. Thankfully, we only live like 5 minutes away from the Autocross site, so I'm looking forward to a fun day. What about you, Laurie?
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, car is basically bone stock still. The only thing we've done is an OpenFlash tablet Stage 1 tune, which I'm going to cover in another video. So it's basically as it was delivered 6 days ago from the dealership. Just 6. That's 5, but 6, I swear. Good old Qualcomm Stadium.
Qualcomm.
Oh wait, now it's SDCCU Stadium, who currently owns the finance for this car.
Thanks, guys.
You want to film? Oh, nice. Not enough time for a clear raw, so painter's tape it is. Laurie, what's your expectation for today?
Have fun.
All right, I like it. All right, going out for the first laps in the 86.
He was driving that PCA last week. Sorry? That was him. He was driving that.
Let's go do this.
Yeah. The first one's gonna suck. So got a couple laps done. Stock suspension, you can feel it porpoise around a little bit, so I got to slow my inputs down. I'm used to my really tightly sprung Miata, so definitely something to keep in mind. Overall though, man, there's a lot to like. I like the ABS. Sometimes ABS can be really finicky out here with the dirty pavement and going to ice mode. This so far, it seems pretty good. I mean, these are low grip tires, so that could be influencing a lot of my opinion right now. So I'm totally open to a lot of these things changing.
First practice done for the instructors in the morning, and it's good. Glad I drove it like this. Laurie, you're next.
But that's just the rear end suspension work. Trust it. Trust the car. Laurie.
All right, Laurie, what do you think?
It's fun. Tires are a little weak. Not
Breeze
sticky.
tires.
It's like driving on ice skates.
Let's see here. Like driving on ice skates, definitely. They get greasy after like one lap.
Probably.
So it's still a lot of fun. We're learning a lot about the car, and then it's time to qualify.
Definitely time.
Yeah.
Already.
What a great car, though. The cool thing is we were able to come down together and not have to bring 2 cars.
Yeah.
Which is a first. So,
And like minimal setup.
Yep. So we'll check back in after timed runs. We're not going to win any trophies today, but we're just learning and having fun.
All right, Laurie, you just got off your competition runs. What's up?
I got the jitters.
Yeah, did you have fun?
Yeah.
You improved.
My heart rate's about 120 right now. I got a lot of adrenaline going through.
Good. Well, you started with an 89 and you got down to an 87. Wasn't a clean run, but still an 87.
Still was an 87, it counts.
I like it. Just got done with timed runs, did a 84.5 roughly. I'd have to check the official times, but mid 84s. Laurie did an 87, and she had more in it for sure. The car's great. I mean, that was in stock tires. The first run was the fastest, so I was basically hosed after that first run. Maybe had another half second in it. Probably could have done 83, but that would have taken the perfect lap. So, c'est la vie. It's the end of day one with the 86 Shaggy, and I think it was a great success. Laurie ran a 87.8, which may or may not be clean. We'll see what they wrote down.
We'll find out.
And I ran some 84s. I think that's about all the car had in it. Maybe an 83 on cold tires. So, until next time.